Hi, viewers. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, Mac. Eid Mubarak viewers.
So, Fiona, what you will cook in this Eid for us?
Okay, what you like to eat, Mac?
I like sweet samai, beef biryani with coconut salad.
Okay, I also like those. You are welcome tonight, Mac.
Thank you, Fiona. Okay, how will be today's Sayma's Eid speciality?
So far I know, today Sayma also gives a special Eid card video to viewers.
Oh really? Then, let us watch first, and we will be returned soon after Sayma's today's special video.
Okay, let's start.
Had the chance to run, leave behind the said and done, figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond the shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger now, and leave it up to fate somehow. But I'm doing this for me. Give it up, baby, I'm not fooling anyone. Always going on and on. Can't you keep it to yourself for once? Oh, I think I found a new way out, way beyond your shadow of doubt. And I can't breathe. Oh, I hope you're keeping count of all the times you let me down, and all the things you said out loud, the bullshit I could cry about. And I know we could be stronger now, and leave it up to fate somehow. But everything I do for me. Freedom, I never had the chance to run, leave behind the said and done, figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond the shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger Always going on and on. Can't you keep it to yourself for once?
That's one more great craft from Sayma.
Yes, Mac. That's amazing, surely. Hope viewers also enjoy so much.
Let's go for dinner. I can't wait more to eat all those Eid special items, Fiona.
Okay, Mac. Let's go then.
I feel hungry, Fiona. Please hurry.
Okay, Mac. Please wait a bit. It's almost ready to serve.
Okay, viewers. Let us say goodbye today. I have to eat a lot today. Fiona already cooked so many delicious Eid special food. Goodbye, viewers.
Okay, goodbye, viewers. As you see, Mac can't wait more. Bye bye.
Way beyond your shadow.